guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So if you can see, my hair is kind of dripping on me. I just got out of the shower and I shampooed my hair. I didn't do anything else to it because I wanted to try out a hair mask for you guys. So a couple weeks ago I went to a natural hair show, and in my goodie bag, I had this Edenbodyworks split end repair mask, and I guess it's made with almond and marshmallow, and it comes in this big 16-ounce container. So I'm just going to use this on my hair and kind of just let you know how I feel about the product and if I like it or not. So I've seen a bunch of YouTubers do like Mask Monday, and I actually really love those videos, so I think I might incorporate that into my channel, just because I have a ton of different masks I need to try out for you guys. So a little bit about this product. It says it works in minutes to transform hair and prevent additional damage. Use weekly to strengthen hair, lessen breakage, and experience fewer split ends. So that is what it says. So, ooh, creamy. This is what it looks like. The consistency is nice and creamy. It's not like super duper thick, but it definitely does have a nice consistency. So feels really good in my fingers. Let me smell it, because that's a big thing for me. First impressions, I'm not in love with the smell. It kind of smells like, I don't know if you guys will hear my heater coming on. It's getting cold in Cleveland, so my heat is on, but I don't know. Like, I would think it would smell like almond or marshmallow, but it kind of smells like lime. Like a faint scent of lime. Maybe that's just me. I don't know. I don't really care for the smell, but yeah, we are just going to start using this product on my hair. What it says, it doesn't contain any sulfates, mineral oils, petroleum, dyes, parabens, and it's cruelty free. So yeah, let's just section my hair. I'm gonna section it into fours, starting with this side. And then I will begin applying it. Okay, so my hair is starting to dry up a little bit. I want to make sure it's wet, so I'm going to use my spray bottle. Spray it real quick. Everyone always asks me, where do I get the spray bottle? Where do I get the spray bottle? And honestly, a lot of the stuff has been sent to me, you guys, but I'm pretty sure Sally's has it. Walmart probably. It's just, I think it's called a 360 spray bottle. That's like the correct name. I just call it a mist spray bottle. But yeah, just search 360 spray bottle on Google and a whole bunch of stores will pop up. So I want it to be soaking. I feel like my mask works best on soaking hair. So yeah, definitely soaking. And now let's just take a scoop. Oh, I got hair. Take a scoop. Really creamy. It is kind of thick, yeah. Yeah, I don't like the smell. Oh, but let me see. Instantly putting this onto my hair, y'all. The slip, I have not detangled my hair. All I did was drench it in water and shampoo, so I've not detangled it. And look, I was not expecting this. Honestly, I don't know why I wasn't expecting to have these good results when the Edenbodyworks jojoba, I think Manoi, used to be my favorite like in 2015, like years ago. Ooh. Make sure I get that all over. So I don't know why I wasn't expecting this to work good, but I'm definitely loving this. Hold on, let me get closer because I want to show you guys. I can already see that it's like defining my curls. Do you guys see that? Hold up. Look at that. Okay. I'm definitely not mad at this. I really like this just from using it on this first section, you guys. Like, my hair is super soft. The slip is so good. Like, I don't even have to use my wide tooth comb. And it's giving me super defined curls. So I'm just going to do this all over my hair. It really coats my strand so good, you guys. Like, wow. I sound all fake and annoying. So yeah, I'm just going to pretty much continue this all around my hair. I didn't expect it to go this fast, but shoot. Okay, let me stop playing with it. What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if it's not guaranteed? What is love? What is love? Alright, so I'm just going to put this into, I'm actually going to split it first. Oops, let me do a little bit more. Do it like this. Told y'all I was gonna bump like this. Y'all didn't think that I could bump like this. See, I told y'all. Do you guys remember that song? Kelly Rowland used to have, she had a few good songs. I used to like that Kisses Down Low song. I like my kisses down low, make me arch my back. When you give it to me slow, baby, just like that. So, I am done applying that to my hair. It does say to cover your hair with a plastic cap for 40 minutes, so I am going to follow directions because you guys kind of got on me in my African Pride one. I did not use heat on the heat activated mask. So let me know if I should try that again on one of my little mask Mondays. But yeah, I'm gonna get a plastic bag, put it on my hair, and then I'll be back in 40 minutes and show you guys my hair and let you guys know how I feel about the mask. I left the mask in for a couple of hours, honestly, like 2 hours. Rinse it out, and this is what my hair is looking like. It is nice and defined, and it is moisturized. My hair felt so soft as I left it in, and then also just rinsing it out. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to try out this line, or not this line, I'm so used to saying that. Try out this mask. I did look online and it's only $8.99, so $9 for a 16 fluid ounce, you guys. That is really good for a mask, especially with all these brands and these high prices. $9, I definitely feel like you guys should check this out. I'll put the link down below, and it gets an A+ for me. Alright, you guys, my towel's falling. Yeah, like I said, this mask gets a what's it get? 5 stars, did I say that? Or it gets a plus? A plus from me. So definitely like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this. Like I said, leave down some masks that you want me to try out. Let me know if you tried this one out, and I will see you guys in my next video.